is a candy. It's a gold and orange. It is unhealthy because it has fast sugar and does not help vitamins A and C.
Chocolate is candy. It is brown. It is unhealthy because it has sugar, fat, and it has little protein. Ready?
Yes.
Lemon is a fruit. It is yellow. It is healthy because it has fiber, potassium, and vitamin C.
Apple is a fruit. It is green or red. It is healthy because it has fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants.
Ready?
Hello, my name is Tama. I am 9 years old. Apples are fruit.
Good. Continue.
Apples are red. Apples are healthy because they have fiber, vitamin E, C, and potassium.
Yay! Thank you. Hello, my name is Moana. I am 8 years old. Onions are a vegetable. Onions are brown. Onions are healthy because they have fiber, antioxidant, vitamin B.
And vitamin B.
Vitamin B.
Yeah. Moana.
Hello, my name is Antonia. I am 10 years old. Nuts are a nut. Nuts are brown. Nuts are healthy because they have fiber, calories, and vitamin C. Hello, my name is Eva. I am 8 years old. And banana is fruit. Banana is yellow. Banana is healthy because it has potassium. Potassium and vitamin C.
Oh, wait, in English, because it has potassium, fiber,
and
vitamin C.
vitamin C.
All
Bye,
right.
Hello, my name is Hereda. I am 10 years old. Lentils are legumes. Lentils are light brown. Lentils are healthy because they have protein, fiber, and iron.
Yeah, Aurora.
Goodbye.